What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and good evening. Wanted to make a quick evening video on the Syncus again. I covered this somewhere last week. I can't fully remember when I covered it, but I'll look it up real quick. But no, I covered this last week. Back then it did, or at least back then it was still quite bearish. But I told you that I bought some. All right, so here you can see it 4 days ago. I bought some on, well, I cannot see the date, but right, you know when it is. I think it was Wednesday. So I bought some back then, and since then it has done quite well, right? We were bearish for some more days after that, I believe. Right here, but what I told you in the video as well is that when the price finds some balance, look for that balance, and then if we get a bullish breakout, then we can actually rally, because Syncus on its own is a very interesting project. You should definitely, if you have not watched that video, you just saw how to look it up, check that out, all right? If you want to have a full review on the project, check that out, see what you think of it. I'll give you my full thoughts on the project in there. But in general, this move is obviously great, all right? Because now all of our investments are up. So like I said, last week, here you can see their dashboard, and I'll leave all the links down in the description as well. You can see they made a ton of revenue, which if you stake your Sync tokens, you actually gain a partial of that revenue. So they do revenue sharing. Quickly got to turn on the lights right here. They do revenue sharing, but apart from that, my investment has also gone up significantly. I think it's now up 30 to 40%. APY is down a little bit, but what you can see is that their treasury has increased a lot. So I expect the APY to be up again, especially with the volume they're doing right now. So if you look at the volume they're doing right now, it's between like 12 and $9 million daily. So that's great. That also means more people staking, more people unstaking, more people using their bank function, their lending. So that's all great for the volume. That's great for the price, great for the treasury, which in turn, if you remember that flywheel, is great for the APY, which is again bullish for the price, or at least for the demand, etc. All right. So right now it's at around $100 million market cap. The volume is still very high, and personally, I do think this has more potential. Now, this move that we had, because in total we had, I'm not sure how much, but we had like a 200% move from the bottoms right here. Like I said, if you want to know all of the fundamentals, and if you want to know all the reasons, so for example, the affiliation with CK Sync that Syncus has, but also just the fundamentals behind the project. If you want to know my full thoughts about why I like this and why I bought it somewhere at the start of last week, then check out the video I just showed you. But in this video, we'll focus on the updates, all right? So this is very much an update video. But what happens is that they are introducing their own stablecoin, all right? Like Liquidity, partially where they are looking up their Sync tokens, or at least people can mint the stablecoin for while looking up Sync tokens. So that reduces the supply, which is again bullish for both the supply dynamics, but also for the price of Sync. And they can mint the stablecoin. All right, so this still has to be rolled out, etc., and we'll get some more news on this. But this was received very positively in the markets for Sync. Caused bullish momentum, like I said. Caused a huge volume surge. Caused the revenue to go up. So in general, that's very bullish. Like I said, and if you're interested in that, I can keep you updated on that. And we will definitely get some more updates. And that's also partially, if you look at the price right now, why I am bullish on Sync. Now, at this point of time, you can see that we have rejected quite heavily off of our most important resistance level. So to dive into the technicals real quick, the most important resistance level is really right here between 2.5 and 2.8 cents. All right, so you can see technically that's very strong. We had a bit of a fake out right here the first time on Saturday, and then we had one rejection, just a technical rejection off of that. So that's the main level to break. Right now we have rejected, like I said, so we are dropping down, but there's a very strong support level, first of all, coming up between 2 cents and 1.75 cents, which I think we can hold. We do need some confirmation after hitting that, but if you just technically go off of it, what I expect is that level to hold. And then once we get some more news and some more revenue, and like I said, with the treasury and the APY, once we get some more bullish fundamentals kicking in, I think Sync has a good chance to actually, from this balance, from this consolidation, to get a bullish breakout again and to start rallying up. All right, and if you look at the previous prices that Sync has reached, right now it's at $100 million market cap. I think that there's still potential with that market cap. And if you look at the previous prices, levels like 4.5 and 5 cents are very much possible, and maybe even the all-time highs right here at 7 and 7.5 cents. I'll keep you updated on that, like I said, but for now, like I said, short-term fundamentals you should definitely watch. Wait for a bit of balance, wait for that momentum to kick in, and if that happens, together with some sort of a fundamental push, I think this can do great things. All right, so congratulations if you bought after the last video. You're up a lot. Taking profits is never a shame, but I haven't sold yet. All right, so quick update. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.